Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hi. The best internet resources about the internal anatomy of a pregnant dog. These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about the internal anatomy of a pregnant dog is cervetus.nl. See the page titled Internal Organs Chart, Spleen, Cervetus. Here's the link. You can also try www.peteducation.com, especially the page Anatomy and Function of the Liver in Dogs, peteducation.com. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see insects.about.com. The web page color diagrams of insect organs and internal structures. Here's the link.